good God, good Lord, one thank you for this moment, Lord, for granting us mercy journeys and that us here.
When we came here, that day, they called us in the corridor. Then we sat and decided and said, no, let us go and show our grievances to the chairperson, national chairman. Unfortunately, that day, the meeting we had here, when we went up, it was, the crowd was too much. There was no storming of the people to show our issue. Today, when they called us again, my man, the chief coordinator, called me and said, no, we are going from Nyonyo. Why don't we have a small meeting also before we reach there? I said, no problem. We can also have a meeting and talk. So, last time we were very many. This time we are few, I think. We can manage to control the crowd the way it happened last time in the State House. Now, some of you who didn't know what happened, after voting and stealing, I think others didn't know. They managed to steal everywhere and brought even hooligans. But after voting, they didn't manage to know how to steal. What happened in Kampala, where they claimed that they got 1,295 votes, and I had my agent called Isma. I forgot even to call Isma again. Isma is my chairperson of Kampala here. We had 295 votes. Kasolo had 295. I had 233 in Kampala. And we had our own DR form after Isma signed. He brought to us. Now, after the Isma took, you can look at it, you can show them all. After they took my DR form, they went, they wrote another DR form. The DR form they have, they added one behind, which makes 1,285. Now, the total voters, they are 1,429. And the real voters of Kampala, they are 572. They didn't know how to steal. When I saw this DR form, I asked Tango Doi. That's Tango Doi. I have been given this DR form to you by your office. But okay, satisfy one. Either the other one of 295 of mine, of my agent, or this one of yours, 1,295. He refused to sign. But others, he signed all the sub-regions, apart from this one where they stole. What happened? Our election was on Thursday. Wednesday. On Thursday, national chairman called me that I need to talk to you. I said, no problem. He said, you can come. I went there, I think the following day, when I was alone. I wanted to go with some people. I said, you come alone. I went to him. He said, nah. I said, Muse, this is what happened. We need really to make sure that you prevent this. He said, no, now what do you do? Go back, talk to your lawyer, and go to tribunal. Then after tribunal, you'll come back. I knew that when they're now going back, I have to call you. This election was not mine. It was for you.
Yes.
It was not mine. No one voted. Myself, I didn't vote myself. You are the one who voted for me. Now, before I go back to national chairman, we went to tribunal. I don't know who to. Did we go together to tribunal?
Yes.
Like you mad?
I was part.
You're part of.
Yes.
We went together.
Yes.
When was this one? When I got like a 5 chairman. He said, no, I can't go alone. Let us go together. You will be my witness. We went together. When we reached the tribunal, what happened in tribunal? This is a tally sheet. I said now, tribunal, before we start, I had my lawyer. Before we start, hearing the case. Because hearing the case, I have no objection. Let us go ahead and hear the case. Then I show you my evidences and show your evidence. We said now, we need to know where is your authority to look at it. Then we start arguing the case. The tribunal man, they refused to bring out the what? The tally sheet. When they refused to bring out the tally sheet, my lawyer advised me, including this chairperson, that we cannot continue this case. Because now we need to know where there is a problem. We cannot come and argue the case. Okay, now somebody put you in the bracket, now you argue the case. Which case we argue? We should do a case one by one. Say, in the Bukedi, I got 500 or 200, this one got this. Then you argue the case. Then you knew where there is a problem. They didn't want me to reach on this year 4, where there is an issue. When they refused us, we walked away. That was our end. After walking away from the tribunal, after a week, they wrote there for a ruling that Karangwa refused to hear the case. He had no evidence. That is what they say. Now, after that, what I did, I talked to my coordinator from Bukedi, who is MP, none other than Orone, Derek. I told Orene, you are my coordinator. What do we do for this? National chairman has not called me, but what do we do now? Orone, what he did, he said, now we are going for caucus. Unfortunately, did come with another man. There's a man called it's called Katoto from Western. They didn't have to put this thing in front of Mzee. You can't accept it. They went in the caucus. They managed to front. Have you sent them the money? Send them this one also. The one they worth 1,000 something. Now, after talking in the caucus, they told Mzee, no. Some people, they didn't put in mind exactly that is for me. They said there are many people who lost through even the tribunal, they're not trustworthy. They are together with Tango Lui. So Mzee said, now all of you who had any issues, they should do appeal to me, myself. What I did, I appealed again to Mzee again. We put all documents. He told us to go through Narweso. General Weiso, through Obua. So one of my appeal I gave to General Weiso. Another one was sent to Obua. Another one I did my Chinichin. I sent through his office, which I know that I should take to him. So what I know, the Mzee could be having this appeal of ours. Now, I have called you here, my fellow chairpersons. That's where we are now. What do we need? The truth is of the matter, we won the election.
Yes.
They brought the hooligans, but we managed to win. All of those things. But put back, there was a lady called, I can't fear to talk to her, that lady is called Namayanja. Namayanja is saying that I'm not a Muganda. In the NRM, the constitution of the NRM does not say that this seat is me for Muganda. No. Karamojong vote for Buganda. We vote for the Karamojong. Yes. Northern, we vote for them. They vote for us. We have seen Uhuru here. He's not a Muganda also. Yes. There has been a man called Nyakana. He's not also a Muganda. Yes. There has been a Singh. He's not also a Muganda. Yes. Very many. Very many. But this people, they are bringing that thing of the tribalism, of stealing us and lying that Mzee has said them, Mzee has ordered them that they should be Muganda, which is not correct. Because when I asked him myself, is it true Mzee behind this? He said, no. I can't, himself, I can't be behind this. That's why it was there. That's their campaign, they are doing it, marrying us because of their interest. Now, my fellow chairpersons, we are waiting for Mzee to reply us. But before he reply us, when I was talking to one of my near a chairperson who are with me, they are telling me one of this one, that I should go to court now. I said, now before I go to court, I should also consult you, because the votes was for you, it was not for me. Now, today we are going for the launch of the manifesto. Before you go there also, this one asked me to have a small meeting with you. You should also advise me. So now, this stealing, it is not real stealing. It's robbery. It is not the stealing you could do. Steal, they put somewhere. But this is a robbery. Could you accept this robbery in your party?
No.
This is our party.
No. You are not accepting.
This stealing of robbery, no. Now, that was me. Why, when I knew that you were coming here, I said, no, my chairpersons, which I knew, those who are being mine inside, and these, even the flag bearers, we called a few of them. We didn't want to call many people. Because if you say, come all of you, they could come here. And we said, let us talk, and knew what we are going to say when we are there, and you give me also advice on this. Thank you so much.